everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For the past 2 years I have done a bloopers video at the end of each year and figured I would do another one this year since you guys always seem to like them. If you missed my blooper reel from 2015 or 2016, I will have them linked down below, so definitely go back and watch them. They are pretty funny. I always think it's so much fun to go through and see all of my funny moments and mash them all together for you guys. I was really surprised because I didn't have as many bloopers as I thought I would, but there definitely are some pretty funny ones that are worth watching. And if you guys would like me to do one of these for 2018, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's jump in and see all my bloopers from 2017. I need to redo this because I've already lost myself twice. Down and talk to you. That bug just killed my vibe for this video. Okay guys, so those are all the Ow. I'm getting like really heated. That was a really loud noise. My paper. We are rolling. So we're a little too zoomed in. Oh, going in closer. There we go. I'm dying. My brain can't make my words. I can't talk today. Okay, so we are definitely not in focus. Wouldn't be a video if I didn't drop something. And I looked over at Kelly and she was just going at it. I don't want to say going at it because that just sounds so dirty. I need to start checking my hair before I film because half the time when I go back to edit, my hair looks awful. I've never been one to really have issues filming, but today has just been a complete struggle. First, I deleted all the clips off the SD card thinking I had transferred them to my computer, and a few minutes ago, I recorded about 10 minutes of a clip. However, I hadn't actually hit the record button. So we're gonna try this again. So that was my blooper reel from 2017. Like I said in the beginning, if you missed my 2015 or 2016 blooper reel, I will have them linked down below. And again, if you guys would like me to do one of these for 2018, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos each week and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys liked this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!